My name is Freedom. In Blender 4.4 to make water simulations, what you need to do is just click the empty area, press A and delete. Then just go and add a mesh, add a UV sphere. For this UV sphere, just drag it up, make it small, and then after that, click, go to the object, then just choose the quick effect, quick liquid. Then now you try to play. At this moment, you can see some liquid at here. What you need to do is just click, go to the physics. This liquid, you have flow, geometry, you can just change it to inflow. Just try to play. Now it will become the inflow liquid. It is really easy, really awesome. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make some quick liquids for Blender 4.4. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you